Hey guys, hey, we're here today at the Mint Hillbilly Shop headquarters. Okay, this is where all the greatness happens. So, guys, I'm gonna take you on a quick little tour today. Daniel, just kind of pan around right quick, show people how we got all these American flags laid out. We're getting ready to put the final finish on these things. We'll be putting 4 coats of a high gloss polyurethane finish on these. And what we have here today, we got a total of 4 of these, what I call the Pledge of Allegiance flags, okay? 2 of them are in this font here. Bring the camera over here. And here's a different font right here that we have. This is Copper Gate Light. And I like the way this one here fills up the stripe better. We're also going to sell the file that I created to do this. We'll sell this file on Etsy here soon as well, okay? And we'll put links down below when we actually get those up for sale. Here's another one just like it that we'll have going up for sale. Now, guys, a couple of these will be for sale at our local shop in Mint Hill at the Home Styles Gallery. And then a few of them will be on Etsy as soon as we get everything finished and they're ready to go. Here's one of our 13-star Betsy Ross type flags. And I really like the way this one here turned out. And we'll have that one for sale as well. Right over here, we have the only just plain Jane American flag here. And I think it turned out really nice. And so all these are going to be ready here real soon. And also have this here product that I want to show you guys. We'll have this for sale, or what this is actually one of my mother's handwritten recipes that she wrote on a index card. Okay, I took that index card, done a little editing with it, made it into a file, and we burned it right onto this cutting board, and we put mom's recipe, put her name and the year that she wrote this recipe out on a card. Okay, and we're going to offer this service to our customers as well. If you live somewhere in the United States, we'll offer this service through our Etsy store. And if you live local here in Charlotte, North Carolina area, you can go by the Home Styles in Mint Hill. They can take your order and I can get this knocked out for you, okay? And we'll have a couple different cutting boards to choose from, some smaller ones like this, and maybe some bigger ones as well, okay? So guys, that's about all we got going on here today. Thank you for stopping by, checking out our little video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you next time. Take care.